Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you this yarn shopping bag. I use a multicolor yarn and 4.0mm crochet hook. We will then start with a slip knot and chain 53. Once you're done with your 53 chain, single crochet second chain from the hook at the back bump of the chain. When you reach to the end, you should have 52 single crochet chain. Chain 1 every end of the row. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Single crochet on our first chain. For this pattern, I do a 10 rows of single crochet back and forth. Don't forget to do a chain 1 every end of the row and do a 10 rows of single crochet. Once you made your 10 rows of single crochet, when you reach to the end of the corner, you will add one more single crochet on the same chain and single crochet on the side. And don't forget to put a stitch marker on your last chain. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and do a 2 single crochet on the corner and single crochet on the side of the chain. When you reach the other side of the corner, don't forget to do a 2 single crochet on the corner and single crochet on each side. And 2 single crochet on this side of the corner and single crochet each of the following chain until we reach to the end. When you reach to the end, remove your stitch marker and take note that you will do again a 5 more rows of single crochet back and forth around, and this stitches you should have 125 chains all around. Once you're done with your 5 rows of 125 chains around, remove your stitch marker and we will do a slip stitch on this marker and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over and skip 1 chain, do a double crochet, chain 1, yarn over, skip 1 chain, double crochet, chain 1, yarn over, skip 1 chain, double crochet, and chain 1, yarn over, skip 1 chain, double crochet, and chain 1. Repeat this run until we reach to the end of the row. Once you reach to the end of the row, this is our last double crochet. Slip stitch on the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch. and slip stitch on the inside of on the middle, slip stitch and chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over, insert your hook on the middle and double crochet, chain 1. Yarn over, insert your hook on the middle, double crochet and chain 1. Repeat this round until we reach again to the end of the row. Once we reach on the end of the row, we still have one more double crochet and slip stitch on the third chain. 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch. And do this round again and again until you will have this hole for 20 rows of double crochets. Once you made your 20 rows of double crochets, this is what it looked like on your 20 rounds of double crochets. We'll continue the round. Slip stitch on the third chain. And we will do a single crochet in the middle, insert your hook in the middle and do a single crochet. And mark your first single crochet and do a single crochet on this side of the double crochet. You will see that when you do this shopping bag. Single crochet on the side of the double crochet, single crochet on the middle, single crochet on the side of the double crochet. My hands are fast. And do this one, do a single crochet all around and you should have 125 chains of single crochet around. Remove your stitch marker and again do a slip stitch and chain 1, single crochet. Mark your first single crochet and do this for 4 rounds of single crochet, 4 rows, 4 more rows of single crochet around. Once you're done with your 4 rows of single crochet, remove your stitch marker and slip stitch and cut the yarn and hide the ends of the yarn. For the strap, we will do a chain 70, slip knot and chain 70. Once you're done with your 70 chain, single crochet at the back bump of the chain, second chain from the hook. Do that until we reach the at the end of the row. You should have 69 single crochet chains. And don't forget to do a chain 1 every end of the row, single crochet on our first chain and For this strap, you will do a 5 rows of single crochet back and forth, and don't forget to do a chain 1 every end of the row, back and forth, and you will have this strap. And at the end of the strap, I will teach you how to attach this strap on this shopping bag. Cut the yarn and hide tails of the yarn. Once you're done with this strap, count 15 chains from the edge of the bag and mark with a stitch marker and sew the strap.